welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share my second pregnancy update, and I'm also going to share the gender of baby number 2 with you, and the answer is in this gift bag right here. So we actually celebrated or had a gender reveal party with our family on Thanksgiving Day, and Canadian Thanksgiving is earlier than American Thanksgiving, so it was earlier in the month. And I made gender reveal cupcakes, and since my husband and I already knew the gender of the baby, we just had our nieces and nephew and Logan eat the cupcakes, but little did we know they ate like mice. So by the time it got to the cupcake, I think it was like 5 minutes in, and our family members were kind of like, hurry up already, because it was taking so long to find the gender. So without further ado, I'm just going to grab my son and we are going to tell you guys if he's gonna have a baby brother or sister. Alright, baby. Okay. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Honey, it's okay. You don't have to.
It's a poo-poo.
You poo-pooed? Are you sure? No, you lied. Yes, you. Anywho, can you open this, baby?
It's mommy.
Yes, I know. It is mommy. Can you say hi? Say hi, I'm Logan. Yeah. Okay, why don't you open it? Show. So we're having a Wow! Wow! What's in there? Oh! You're having a little sister! That's right! Kiss sister. Oh, this is not your real sister. So yeah, everyone, I'm having a little baby girl, and Twinkie is a... Okay. Alright. Well, anyway, I'm going to send Logan back outside because he's going to be a big distraction. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Okay, say bye. Come. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, he still wants to play. You still want to play? Wow. He just wants to put them in here. Good job, baby. Wow, how many? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, last one. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's alright. Wow, look at all this. Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Bye.
Oh, okay, bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligator. So Logan is back outside, but before I continue to share my pregnancy updates with you, I just wanted to take this time to introduce you to these dolls that I have. I'm so happy to be partnering with Cuddle and Kind in this video, and they're a Canadian company that I really admire. These dolls here aren't just regular dolls, they are handmade by artisans in Peru, and the special thing about these dolls is that each one gives 10 meals to children in need all around the world. So this one over here is called, she's Avery the lamb, and this one over here is Charlotte the dog, and she is just so cute. Right when I saw her, I just knew that I had to get her for little Twinkie. Look how cute she is. She's got the flower headband, and they also come in smaller sizes, so these are the 20-inch ones and these are the adorable 13-inch ones. And no matter what size you get, both of them donate 10 meals to children when you purchase a doll. And I also got 2 for Logan. Which are these. So these are the matching boy and girl lambs, and these are the matching boy and girl dogs. So they are so adorable. If you want to know more about the company, feel free to check my video description below. I'll put a link to their site. And if you want to find out how they give, why they give, and their partners, then all that information is down there. And if you take a close look at these handmade dolls, you'll notice that the details are so intricate, like the crocheted flower bow, the leaves that are sewn on it, even the headband at the back, the tail, and the dress. It's just beautifully made, and the artisans in Peru who make these dolls are given a fair trade income. So not only are they adorable, they're also ethically produced. So thank you so much, Cuddle and Kind, for sending my kids these dolls. They will just look so great in the nursery, and the little one makes a great little take-along toy that I can put in the stroller with Twinkie. So now back to my second trimester update. So far everything has been great. My energy is back and I have my appetite. And we also went for our anatomy scan ultrasound, and that's when they take the baby's measurements, and that's also when you find out the gender. But because Twinkie wasn't cooperating, I had to go back in a second time to get the rest of the measurements. So all this time, for some reason, I thought I was going to have a boy, but because my mom and my sisters all had dreams that I was going to have a girl, and this is what they told me, I kind of started believing that I was going to have a girl too. And not only that, on Instagram, every time I posted a picture or did a poll if people thought it was a boy or girl, the majority was always girl. Like I think 80% of the people thought, you know, by the shape of my belly and everything, that I was going to have a girl. So when you read all these comments and then you hear things from people around you, you start to actually believe it. So I was actually believing that I was carrying a girl. So when I walked into the ultrasound room that day, I guess I felt really guilty because I was just thinking about the outcome, and I was thinking if they told me it was a boy, I would just be a little bit disappointed. And that of course made me feel guilty because no parent wants to, you know, experience gender disappointment, or is it called that? I don't know, guys. I'm having a brain fart, pregnancy brain. So what happened was I was kind of hoping it was a girl, but then at the same time I was thinking if it's a boy, that's great because Logan gets a friend and I can just pass down his clothes to him. Like, it's a lot easier. So in the end, I was just back to square one. I was happy if it was a boy or girl. I just wanted the baby to be healthy. And so when we found out it was a girl, my hubby and I were shocked because, I don't know, we just thought we were going to have a boy. So my hubby couldn't believe it, and for that whole week, I couldn't even process that I was having a girl. I kept having to tell myself, like, what, am I having a girl? So that took a whole week to process. I have no clue why, but with Logan, when I found out he was a boy, that was just the end of it. He's a boy. I don't know if any other parents feel that way. It's just strange. Maybe it's because it's my second baby. And right now I'm 22 weeks pregnant. I think 22 weeks and 5 days. And I will show my belly update with you right now, actually. So today I'm 22 weeks and 5 days pregnant, and Twinkie is the size of a spaghetti squash and weighs approximately 1 pound. So this is what my belly looks like. I'm wearing pregnancy leggings now because obviously pants don't fit anymore. So I've just been living in leggings. And this is how big my belly is now. So it's grown a lot since, you know, the last time I uploaded, which was a month ago. And the thing with this pregnancy that's different with Logan's is that I do notice that my belly is getting big faster compared to Logan's. And also with Logan, I was so diligent about applying cream. So I used coconut oil and pregnancy stretch mark cream on my tummy. But because I'm so busy now with a toddler, I haven't really had time to moisturize my belly every night. And with Logan's, I don't know if it was because I was taking good care of my body. I didn't get a single stretch mark from that pregnancy. And for this one, we'll see, because I have not really taken care of myself and I haven't been drinking as much water as I should be. And a few things to prevent stretch marks in pregnancy is to drink lots of water and stay hydrated, and also keep your belly moisturized by applying cream morning and night, and that just improves the skin elasticity. I know I'm telling you all of this, I should be doing it too, but it also depends on genetics. Some people are just, no matter what they do, they'll still get stretch marks, and some people don't do anything and don't get stretch marks at all. And so now that I'm having a girl, it's strange. Like the first time around, when I found out about Logan's pregnancy, we were brainstorming names, and I had a whole list of girl names, and I hardly had any for boys. But now that I'm having a girl, I can't think of a single name that I like. Let me know some idea for girl names. And what else? Yeah, so girl names, I still gotta think about that, and the middle name. And the shirt I showed you was the very first thing we bought for her when we found out that it was a girl. So I walked in and I saw it, and it was just so cute. So this was the first thing that I bought for my daughter. I still need to shop for a few things, but I do have all the big ticket items already, so I don't know if I'm going to have a baby shower for this one. Like, what do you guys think about the second baby shower? I don't want it for the gifts. I want it more to celebrate Twinkie, because, you know, Logan had one. I want her to like look back at pictures and show that she had one too. So maybe I might just post a little baby sprinkle just for her, and if people can get what they want. I'm not going to make a registry like last time. So what do you guys think? I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on it because if I was to do it, it would be around Christmas time and I know everyone's busy. But in my last video, I did notice that a lot of you were actually pregnant around my time. So let me know when you guys plan to have your baby showers or baby sprinkle. And a baby sprinkle is almost like a shower, but it's just smaller and it's usually done for you know, your second or third baby. And so I kind of want that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little reveal, and if you want baby bump updates from me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at namebaby, and that's where I share all my baby and life updates with you. And again, I also want to thank Cuddle and Kind for their cute little dolls for little Twinkie and Logan. Again, if you guys are interested in learning more about this company, I'll put a link to the website in the video description below. So thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Ciao.
Okay, Ethan, we get to eat a cupcake.
Wow. Okay, Ethan, so let Auntie explain. If the inside is blue, it means it's a boy, and if the inside is pink, what does it mean?
Good.
Yes,
Whoa,
girl. Okay,
so
so what
smart.
do you want? Do you want chocolate or do you want the white one?
White.
Okay, he wants that one. Emma, do you want the chocolate one? Oh, here you go. And Loki dear, you get the white one too. Okay, ready?
Oh, this is so exciting.
Okay, eat up. You can open it, eat it. Emma, Emma, eat. They look so confused.
Emma, you can eat.
Emma, you can eat, sweetie. Why are you pretending not to be a pig on camera? She eats
Emma,
everything.
yummy chocolate.
It's white.
Okay, keep eating. Big bite, big bite. Big bite. Ah. Okay, let's see.
Emma, you don't want to eat?
Emma doesn't want to eat.
Camera shot is true.
No. Looks like Ethan's going to be
Ethan's
first.
going to be the winner. Ethan, your job is to tell us, okay? Is it pink or blue? We're all anxiously waiting.
I'm just looking at
Come on, Emma, you want to eat your cupcake, girl?
Like her. Is there a color yet, Ethan?
Ethan, do you have a color yet?
Yes.
What color is it, honey? What color is it? Yay! Ethan! And you're in pink. Good job.
What does it mean, Ethan?
Good.
Yay!
What a good help for Ethan.
Oh, congratulations, you guys!
Thank you.
Awesome. Little Logan's having a sister.
She does for you.